Welcome! In this tutorial, we're going to explore how to save your highlight QR code on Instagram. This is a great way to keep your important information organized and easily accessible. Let's dive into the steps. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account so you can access your profile and highlights seamlessly. Next, click on your profile photo located in the bottom left corner of the screen. This action will take you directly to your profile page, where all your posts and highlights are displayed. Once you're on your profile page, look under your bio for the highlight you want to save the QR code for. Highlights are those circular icons that showcase your favorite stories, so pick the one that you want to work with. Now, here comes the fun part. Click and hold on the highlight you selected. A menu will pop up with various options related to that highlight. From this menu, choose Show QR Code. This will display a unique QR code associated with that highlight. It's a visual representation that others can scan to view your highlight directly. Finally, to save this QR code, simply select Save QR Code from the options available. This action will download the QR code image directly to your device's gallery, making it easy for you to share or use it whenever needed. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully saved your highlight QR code on Instagram. This feature not only helps in keeping your profile fresh, but also enhances how you share content with others. Whether it's for personal use or promoting a business, having quick access to your highlights through a QR code is incredibly useful. Thank you for watching. We hope this tutorial has been helpful for you in navigating Instagram's features more effectively. Happy sharing!